Grand awakening, Cancer, my water babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance, prosperity, and magic all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a best blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree, book a massage with me. Check out the NFTs, the music, the ebooks, great products are over there. Your word of the day is goodness. Are you actually understanding, giving yourself credit for the goodness of who you are, what you developed, what you're doing for other people? So many people are watching you, mimicking you, and you have to give yourself some grace, some courage, some slack, let's say, a compliment, because you're changing the world and you don't even know it. You don't even understand how many people are watching you. I overcome my imperfections. I polish my character and I feed on the positive. Thus, I free myself. I allow goodness to manifest and become a source of joy through gentleness and offer unconditional support, understanding, and love. I love myself. I love others. You attract more bees with honey. Be your honey self. Be your sweet self. You know that you can do it. The things that don't serve you, the negativity or hurt, even being selfish and worrying about your energy, it doesn't feel well. It doesn't serve you. But when you're when you're helping serve others, that's when you're in your true power. Where you're not worrying about how everyone's treating you. What do you get back? Is what you give and what people are willing to receive from you, because we're begging it from you. It's really rare that anyone begs for something that you have, and we're begging. So please come through. Be your best self. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.